If we actually did it, my point would be that if we actually achieved net zero, at least 50% of the population would die of hunger and disease. At least 50% of the population would die of hunger and disease. And no doubt about it, because just one thing, which is nitrogen-based fertilizer, which won 2 Nobel Prizes, one for developing the process of combining natural gas with nitrogen in the atmosphere to make ammonia, basically. And the other Nobel Prize was for the person who scaled it up to an industrial level. And it's a very complicated process. If you look at the chart of the steps that are into getting nitrogen fertilizer, at least 50% of the population depends on nitrogen fertilizer for its existence today. There's no doubt about that. And there's people trying to ban it. And Netherlands and Sri Lanka have already made these kind of moves. And so it is truly a death wish in disguise. And the disguise is to save the earth.
When we invest in clean energy and electric vehicles and reduce population, more of our children can breathe clean air and drink clean water.
And for scientists, it is unequivocal. Humans are to blame. Humans are to blame. All this is entirely consistent with predictions and repeated warnings. The only surprise is the speed of the change. Climate change is here, it is terrifying, and it is just the beginning. The era of global warming has ended, the era of global boiling has arrived. The air is unbreathable, the heat is unbearable, and the level of fossil fuel profits and climate inaction is unacceptable. Humans are to blame.
Woe to the inhabitants of the earth and of the sea, for the devil is come down unto you, having great wrath, because he knoweth that he hath but a short time.